In this video, I will show you how to link your PSN PlayStation account to Steam. First, open Steam on your PC. Then, go to the top left corner and click on Steam and select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, go to Remote Play and make sure Remote Play is enabled. Once that's done, close the Settings window and launch a PlayStation game on Steam that supports account linking. Some supported games include Helldivers 2, Horizon Forbidden West Complete Edition, The Last of Us Part 1, Marvel Spider-Man Remastered, Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales, God of War, Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut, Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart, and Until Dawn. When the game starts, you will see a QR code or an option that says Link Account. Click on Link Account and you will be redirected to the PlayStation login page. Here, enter your PSN account credentials or create a new account if you don't already have one. After confirming the login, your Steam and PSN accounts will be successfully linked. So that's how you can link your PSN PlayStation account to Steam. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.